Hello, in this lesson, I'm going to give you general information about IELTS academic module of Writing Task 1. Let's look at the content of this lesson. What is Academic Writing Task 1? Writing Task 1 answer sheets, general facts and recommendations, how are words counted, and in which case you'll get 0 points. So, Academic Writing Task 1 is a report on a chart, table, map, or a diagram. Here you can see a sample writing task 1. It comes from Cambridge English IELTS 12, test 5. And it reads, you should spend about 20 minutes on this task. So the bar chart below shows the percentage of Australian men and women in different age groups who did regular physical activity in 2010. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. And here's the heading of the bar chart. Right now, we're not going to go into the details of this bar chart because the goal is just to show you what a real exam task looks like. Okay, the only difference from a real paper will be the fact that on a real test, the words are written in black only. And so there can be some shades of gray. Well, but there's nothing in blue. All right, so let's move on. You'll be given answer sheets. Normally, you get 2 answer sheets, 2 pieces of paper like this. On the top of the first piece, you have to write down your name, the center number. This will be provided by the institution you registered in. The module, well, here we're discussing academic module only. The test date, candidate number. This will also be provided to you by the test center. And in this gray area, you shouldn't write anything. And this part of the second piece of paper is going to be filled by the center. So you don't need to write anything in this area. So you have this area, this space, the line space to write your answer. Practice writing on the answer sheets prior to the test because you need to see how much space you'll need for 170 words with your handwriting. Well, why 170? Because, well, the minimum number of words you have to write is 150. But if you want to get a high score, you should try to write 170 or even 180 words. You don't need more than that, but 170 should at least be tried. Also, you need to eliminate any kind of novelty at the test. So when you come to the examination, you have to be fully prepared to what's going to happen to at the exam. So before the test, make sure that you print out these forms. They're going to be attached with the course. And you can also find them anywhere on the internet. They're in public domain. So download them, print them out. And when you practice writing task 1, always use these sheets of paper because you have to know how much of this space you will need to write 170 words or 180 words. Okay, because at the examination, you're not going to have time to count all the words. Also, if you don't have enough space to write, you can ask exam invigilator to provide you with some more sheets of paper. General facts and recommendations. The minimum number of words you should write is 150. Yes, we've just discussed that. For scoring high, aim for at least about 170 words. The examiner will check and count all your words, so make sure you write the at least the minimum number. Don't write too much, focus on quality rather than quantity. So you don't need to go over 200 words because in that case, I'm sure you're gonna lose the quality of your paper. So writing down 170 or 180 is more than enough. It's recommended that you spend no more than 20 minutes on writing task 1. This is because IELTS Writing Task 1 mark makes up only 33% of your total writing score. So it means that if you spend more than 20 minutes, the time will cut into the Writing Task 2 time. And that means that you're going to get a lower score for Writing Task 2. And you don't want to do that because Writing Task 2 is worth more points. Now, how are words counted? Everything you write in your report, except for symbols, is considered to be words and is counted as such. Time, dates, and numbers are counted as one word. 12 p.m., one word. The 1st of November 2017 is one word. 150 is one word. Although these first two examples are kind of not common words that you would need to write at the examination, these are given to you as an example so that you should know how words are counted. Percentage and currency symbols that go with numbers are not counted. For example, 56%, one word. The symbol of percentage is not counted as a word. But 33% is one word and one number. Absolutely all words are counted, no matter how small they are, including articles like a and the, and prepositions in, at, etc. Compound nouns written as one word, as well as hyphenated words, are counted as one word. For example, keyboard, it's one compound noun, so it's counted as one word. Well-being, a hyphenated word, so one word. However, compound nouns spelled separately as two words are counted as two words. Like pet shop, this is a two-word combination. Words contained in brackets are counted too. For example, sales went down sharply in August by 3%. Although these are brackets, the words are also counted, so there are 3 words in brackets. And finally, you'll get 0 points if you don't attend the test. Well, if you just don't come to the test, of course, you'll get 0 points. If you don't attempt the task in any way, so it means that if you leave your answer sheets blank, if you don't write anything at all, that's what you're going to get, the 0 points. And if you write a totally memorized response. So some candidates think that if they prepare a memorized response, they'll get something. But the thing is, there is no chance that you're going to prepare for the same task as the one that's going to appear on the test, because all of them are unique. They're going to be used for the first time at any given test. So there's really no chance that you can prepare a response for that specific task. Well, I hope it was a useful lesson. Thanks for watching.